Hi guys, my name is Safira and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about my favorite hair product and I am so excited to show you guys, so let's get started. I am starting this video on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and the product that this video is all about is called Seda. It's from a Brazilian hair company and this is my all-time favorite hair product. I've been using this product for over 6 years now. I don't know how long exactly, but it's been a while and it's still in my regular hair product rotation. So it's safe to say that this is my all-time favorite hair product, aka my holy grail. It makes my hair feel super soft, and don't make me get started on the smell. It smells so good. Not too strong, but it has a nice kind of like baby soap kind of smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells so good. It also makes my hair feel really moisturized and defined without weighing it down, and that is definitely something that I always look for in a hair product, since I really don't like the feel and look of heavy products in my hair. And honestly, I just don't have anything negative to say about this hair product. So yeah, if you can get your hands on this product, try it out for yourself and maybe you will love it as much as I do. So yeah, the rest of this video is basically my updated curly hair routine, and if you want to see what that looks like, just keep on watching. And also one more thing, if you have any video recommendations or anything you would like me to film, let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely check them out. And I'm not gonna talk through the rest of this video, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
From it, you've given me a place and time. They say you've never been addicted, baby. You're really trying out your light, and now I'm setting on letting you know what's on my mind. What's on my mind. For you, fall for you. Yeah, right. You gon' let me show all the things that I would be on. I would be on. You gon' let me know. Should I stay or should I get gone? Should I get gone?
phone spinning. You see the boss grinning. I'm loving these damn women. I let two get in. She tried to let the rest fit in. I'm like, no, love, that's forbidden. I ain't for squishing. That's a problem to the will well. Trust, I know them 20s real well. Now we coasting. Me two chicks and toasting. I turn up the volume, watch the bass get them open. Soft spoken with a wild side. I love them in the ride. They love it in the ride. We was moving bodies before we hit the party. Before the DJ started cutting, I was already fucking. Cinderella, you girls from nothing to something. Hit the parking lot, hear the club system thumping. Lose the face. You twos was great, but it's to the VIP. I got new move to make.
When the last time you heard it like this? Smoke some, drink some, get ripped. It make the girls in the party just strip. Move your ass, girl. Only if you know you like